In this video, you'll learn how to remove a payment method on KuCoin P2P. By following these steps, you will successfully manage your payment settings within the platform. Begin by navigating to the KuCoin website. In your browser, enter the URL for KuCoin. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of the cryptocurrency exchange. This screen includes various options for trading and account management. Next, locate the button labeled Buy Crypto. This is typically found on the home page. Click on this option and the page will refresh to display different buying options for cryptocurrencies, including P2P trading. After that, find and select the P2P trading option from the displayed choices. This section will present you with a list of available trades. You should now see the P2P trading interface, which allows you to view and manage your trades. Once this appears, look for the button labeled More. Clicking this will lead you to additional settings related to your P2P trades. The interface will update, showing further options for managing your trading preferences. Now click on Payment Settings. This option is where you can oversee your payment methods. You will be directed to a screen displaying your current payment methods associated with your account. Next, you will see a list of your payment methods. Locate the option to delete the payment method you wish to remove. Click on the Delete option next to the specific payment method. A prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete this payment method. At this point, a message will display asking, "Are you sure to delete this payment method?" This confirmation is important to ensure that you do not accidentally remove the wrong payment option. Take a moment to review your decision before proceeding. To finalize the removal, click on the Confirm button. This action will process your request, and you should see a notification indicating that the payment method has been successfully removed from your account. If you prefer to manage your payment method directly, I've placed a link in the description and pinned comment below for your convenience. This link will guide you through the process again if needed. Please consider subscribing for more tutorials. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.